Welcome to the British School of Etiquette, India. India, a country of extremes. A staggering diversity where ethnicity, religion, culture, language come together in a dazzling kaleidoscope of humanity. In India, there is an amazing cultural diversity throughout the country. The north, the south, the east, and the west have their own distinct cultures. And almost every state of India has formed and carved its own cultural niche. Join me in understanding Indian cultural diversity. Today we have Sahiba Gupta, Bia Sandhu, and Nisha Gupta who are going to share their views on Indian cultural diversity.
Variety is the spice of life. And when we talk about variety, how can we forget India? When it comes to language, culture, religions, race, it's all about diversity. And in this diversity, we stand united. I come from a Sikh family where all the daughters have Urdu names. I still remember my grandfather saying, "Bhasha ka koi mazhab nahi hota." Growing up in Lucknow and getting Eidi from my school friends' parents, well, that has been my childhood. Unity in diversity indeed. A country with diverse languages, cultures, religions, and races. We are just a bundle of joy and a mixed platter of everything sweet and spice. What I love the most about India is the fact that no matter how much we talk about intolerance, in our hearts, we are most welcoming and accepting towards everybody who comes our way. So when we talk about variety being the spice of life, we don't just talk about the spices we export. It's also the spice of versatility in cultures that we have to offer. And the vast history and the intricacies of everything that we bring together in our culture just makes us so unique. And this authenticity is our biggest jewel.
Hi everyone, my name is Bia Sandhu Taneja and I'm the founder of Parfait Image Consulting. I was fortunate to grow up in an army environment as a child. I was exposed to each and every part of India and was blessed to meet people from each and every state in India. The flavorful, amazing, scrumptious food from every state, the various religions that I grew up with, from a mandir to a gurdwara to a mosque to going to a Catholic school to having Parsi friends, that is unity in diversity in India. We as Indians alone speak over 400 languages, the different races, the different religions, the different languages that we speak. That is what makes our nation, and that is what makes us proud Indians. Our unity in diversity is our strength. The simplicity of every Indian is our strength. So let's keep this together and let's shine through. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Nisha Gupta. I'm an etiquette and an image coach. Etiquette is about respect, sensitivity, deference, making the other feel comfortable in your presence. And how will you do all of this? It's only when you are curious, when you go beyond your narrow confines, when you understand diversity. And for us Indians, what better place to learn this than from our motherland, India? The Indian subcontinent, made up of 28 states and 9 union territories, is a huge melting pot of races, tribes, culture, social structures, food, clothing, festival, religion, so much. From Kashmir in the north to Kanyakumari in the south, from Arunachal in the east to Rann of Kutch in the west. Each and every state brings a unique flavor. And India is also the country that gave zero to the world, gave the Buddha to the world, gave history and philosophical thought processes. A country diverse, its in its geographical landscape. For me, I have experienced this very closely because as an army kid, every 2 years we went and lived in a different state, learning different languages and learning to be with a different community. And I truly believe that when you understand diversity, you break down the narrow confines of your thinking. You become more interesting. You understand unity better. You understand how to find common ground. And when you understand how to find common ground, you become a better species of the human race. So for me, I'm so proud that I learned cultural diversity being an Indian. And I wish that each and every one of us very proudly carries this ethos out into the global arena. Thank you.